After watching this video, I believe you never throw away your banana peel anymore, and I will show you the effective way to use banana peel to grow crazy hair growth, control your hair fall, thicken up your hair, and reduce your hair shedding. So this is my banana peel. I've already washed it thoroughly. Make sure that you wash it very well to remove the dirty on it. So I'm using my knife to cut out the unwanted parts, the tail and the head of the banana peel that are not needed. Keep on watching to see the powerful of using banana peel on your hair.
Romeo was roaming the garden.
After cutting the unwanted part, this is how it is. So I'm going to add, I'll throw it away. So I'm going to add another ingredient that can make it more powerful and more potent. The first one is dry rosemary leaf. But if you can reach your hand on fresh one, feel free to make use of it, okay? I'll be making use of 1 tablespoon of my dry rosemary leaf. Second ingredient is cloves, and also I'll be making use of a little amount of cloves. This ingredient, they are optional, okay? If you don't have it, please feel free to make use of only your banana peel, okay? You're good to go. So I'm just adding this ingredient there to make it more effective, to make it more powerful and more potent, okay? So I just transfer water on it, on my pot of my ingredients, and I add more water because that one is not enough. I want the water to cover the banana peel and the ingredient very well. So next thing, this is how it is. I will go now and boil it. I'll boil it for 10 minutes. Once it's 10 minutes mark, I'll bring it down, but please use very low flame light to boil it. Don't allow your light to be too high, okay? So you have 2 ways to infuse this. You can infuse it by boiling method. You can infuse it by just adding it in your jar, cover it, okay? Add your ingredients in your jar, pour in water. You can choose to pour in hot water. You can choose to pour in cold water, cover it and keep it in your cabinet. You can infuse it for 1 day, 2 days to 3 days, depend on you, but I choose to do boiling infusion method, okay? So I'll still do more further thing to make it more effective. Keep on watching to see what I did. So once it's 10 minutes mark, I brought it down. This is how it look like. So I collect my jar container. I'll first of all transfer the banana peel into my jar container, okay? So to infuse it more, to make it more potent, it will make the banana peel, the rosemary and the cloves to extract more into the water and make the water more potent and more powerful. So after putting my banana peel, I'll transfer in the water and cover it. So if you don't have container to do so, just cover it. If you are using the boiling method, just cover it and keep it to infuse overnight, because it will make it more potent. It will make the ingredient to extract more into the water and make the water more powerful and potent. So I'm putting mine into this jar container because I want to get a thumbnail, okay? So this is how it is. After transfer it into the jar, this is how it is. I'm going to keep it in my cabinet to allow it to infuse another extra 8 hours, okay? So once it's 8 hours, this is how it look like. As you can see, the water have getting more darker, okay? The water is very potent than earlier before. So I've grabbed my shifter and my bowl to collect my tea spray. This tea spray is very powerful. If you have been letting down on banana peel, please do not let down on banana peel. Banana peel have a lot of benefits you can get on using it on your hair. Banana peel contain a lot of nutrients that can benefit you on your hair growth. Banana peel, you never get tired of using banana peel on your hair. You will be glad that you see this video. You'll be glad that you know that banana peel can help you. Banana peel can help to solve many of your hair problems, okay? So this is how the tea spray is looking like. So this is how my hair. I'm going to apply this on my hair now. I'll show you how to use this on your hair. So first thing, make sure that your hair is clean. Applying this on your clean hair. Do not apply it on your dirty hair, okay? To see best results on it, apply it on your scalp and the strands of your hair and massage it very into your hair for you to penetrate into your hair strands and into your hair follicles to do what it's supposed to do on your hair. Okay, some benefits you can get on using banana peel on your hair. Banana peel help to reduce hair fall, treat dandruff, repair damaged hair, nourish your scalp, leave your hair looking healthy and luxurious, reduce frizz on your hair, promote hair growth, condition your hair, and smooth your hair. So some benefits you can get on using rosemary also on your hair. Rosemary is effective at promoting hair growth, prevent hair loss and thinning hair, restore shine to your hair, remove product buildup, and so many other things to be gotten on using rosemary on your hair. Cloves has property that can help stimulate blood flow in the scalp, which may promote hair follicles activate and encourage hair growth. Cloves contain vitamins, mineral, and fatty acid that can nourish the hair follicles and support overall hair healthy. So if cloves is always dry off your hair, adding it with banana peel, it's a great combination. It will condition your hair, moisturize your hair will never feel dryness anymore. Okay, so this is a great combination. This banana peel is a must try. Guys, do not sleep on this. Don't let down on this ingredient. Consistent of using this ingredient on your hair, you're going to solve a lot of problem on your hair. It's going to repair your damaged hair, promote healthy hair growth, and thicken up your hair and control your hair fall and your dandruff. And the good part of this, once you apply this on your hair, you will see the softness on your hair. You see how your hair will feel so smooth, so conditioned. You don't need to apply leave-in condition. You don't need to stress yourself for applying leave-in condition. Once you apply this on your hair, only hair growth oil, you are good to go. Your hair is already moisturized. But to keep the moisturize more further, if your hair is always get dry, if you always experience dry hair, so try to use leave-in condition after you apply this on your hair. But once you apply it on your hair, you're going to see the effective results on your hair. You can only apply this on your hair 3 times in a week, and store this in your refrigerator for only about 5 days. Once it's 5 days, discard the remaining one. I hope you find this video helpful. Please, if you have not liked this video, help me to click on that like button. It really helps the growth of the channel, and it help YouTube to put the video to more audience. And please, if you have not subscribed, please click on that subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so that to be notified whenever a new video drop. Let me know in comment section below when you are going to try this on your hair. I would love to know your results. Okay, this will be closing today's video. See you guys in my next video. Remain blessed out there. I love you, but God love you more. Bye.
Following the leader down 8th Street to